Hi everyone, this is a tutorial of how to make paper lavender flowers. It's very easy, you'll only need a few materials, so let's just get started. The first thing you'll need is 2 pieces of paper, so a green for the stalk and then whatever colour you want for the lavender, and then a pair of scissors, a ruler, a pencil and some double-sided sticky tape. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to be measuring your paper. So you're just going to be marking 5 centimeters across each time, so you can mark 5, 10, 15 and 20, and you'll only have a very small amount of paper left at the end, and each strip will just be used for 1 flower, so you can make 4 flowers with this. So I'm just going to draw a line straight across to mark the strip and do that with each one, and then once I've done that I'm just going to go ahead and cut across. So as you can see, I'm just cutting across using the line that I drew with the pencil. I'm only showing me cutting 1 strip because I'm only going to be demonstrating 1 flower in this video, but if you want to make 4, you can cut them all. Next I'm going to be doing the stalk of the flower, so I'm just marking 5.5 centimeters with my ruler, and then I'm going to be using the double-sided sticky tape to follow across that mark that I did. And do it all the way across the paper and just snip it at the end. The next step is to just fold over a very small amount of paper with your fingers, so you can just try and make it as small as possible, as you can see I've done, and then you just kind of keep folding it over itself and it will form kind of like a very thin cylinder in the shape of a stalk. This is basically just rolling up the paper, but the first few folds you want to do a sharp, crisp line so that it's very secure, and then you fold it over the sticky tape so that it's secure, and then the last step for the stalk is just to cut across. You want to go right to the edge of where you put the tape. That's the stalk done. This is what mine looks like, and now we're going to be moving back to the flower. The first thing you want to do is fold your paper strip lengthways, and you can just do that all the way across so it's lined up. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and just cut little notches into them all the way across. You want to make the spacing pretty equal, and you want to make sure you don't snip all the way through the paper. You just want to go quite near to the edge but not all the way to the top, and that's what it looks like. The next step is slightly fiddly, but it's not too difficult. You just want to adjust where your paper lines up at the top for one of the layers to be slightly lower than the other, so that it will create this kind of round shape for the notches at the bottom. And then you're going to attach some sticky tape to this, and you want to make sure you stick the bottom layer with the top layer together, and you're just going to put that tape all the way down to the bottom. Once you've snipped the end, you can then remove the layer of paper that's on top of the sticky tape. The last step is just to assemble your flower together. So you want to attach the top of your paper at an angle to your stalk, and then you want to twist it down the stalk, and you'll get the effect of the lavender. You can just carry on twisting it all the way down, and then you'll be left with your final result. Thank you so much for watching and doing this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. There's plenty of other craft videos on Lark Design Make on YouTube. These flowers are great for displaying in the house, and we'll see you next time. Bye!